Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into this egg tutorial. I'm just kidding. But bro, on a serious note, we're going to be doing a James Charles palette tutorial, and I obviously did color on my face because that's what I'm gonna start doing. It's kind of like a new series that I'm doing. So if y'all like that and y'all want to see how I do this look, make sure to keep watching. So like always, starting off with the base, y'all can use any base y'all want. I always go for the Jeffree Star Concealer as my base. I love using this as a base and as a concealer. Y'all need to try it. It's amazing. And it doesn't crease, so that's why I love using it on my eye, because I've used many other concealers that end up creasing on my eye and making my eyeshadow look way more just worse. If that's just like way worse than it normally would if I was using a better concealer, if that makes sense to y'all. Sorry, I haven't got enough sleep, so bear with me. Here I'm just going to be setting it with the white in the James Charles palette, so with the shade Flashback, and I honestly love that so much. It's actually a pretty good shade, and just to set everything in place. Here I'm taking the shade Social Blade, and I'm just going to be using that on the outer portion of my eye. I also went ahead and used this on my eyebrows, and I honestly love them so much. But yeah, I'm just taking that, and I'm just going to be using that on the outer portion in that V, and going to be blowing it out slowly. So slowly going to be bringing it out. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade B, and this yellow is so gorgeous. I honestly feel like all these shades are so pigmented and so true to the color. I absolutely love that so much. This B is so yellow, and I don't know, I mean, you wouldn't really think that green and yellow would end up, I guess, going together, or at least I didn't, but honestly, I was obsessed, and I feel like they do go together. Once you blend them in and you get them on your eye, they look sickening. You should try other shades together that you probably won't think will go together, but they probably will. So try it and just don't judge it before you try it. So using that yellow, and gonna be basically blowing it out. Notice how I like to take it out as far as I want first, and then I blow it up. Just because that way you have the length that you want, and then you just basically blend up from there, so that way you have transition and all that good stuff. So using that guide, I'm just going to be taking that green, that same Social Blade, and I'm going to be using that to slowly, like I said, bring that out lengthwise, and then blow it up. By the way, you guys, I don't know why, but I really wasn't a big fan of the whole, like, yellow face on me. I don't know, it just, I mean, I did it, it is what it is, I loved it, I enjoyed it for the time being, but I actually went back and did a natural face. So if y'all want to see this look with natural makeup, make sure to go check out my Instagram at Simon Fox. I will be posting pictures there with the natural beat, because honestly this eye was just way too gorgeous for me to just have that yellow face, at least in my thoughts. But I honestly feel like with the natural face, this look looked absolutely sickening. I still haven't took it off. It's 2:58 in the afternoon, and I have not slept. Anyways, going in with the shade 518, and this orange shade is so bright, and I love it so much because it's kind of like a neon kind of orange. I don't know if it's just because it's such a bright orange, but it looks kind of neon to me, and I honestly love the way it looked on this look. Y'all will see towards the end how after I cut my crease, it has like just like this glow of orange over my eye. I don't know, but y'all are gonna love it. Also, I want y'all to notice, especially for my hooded eye people, make sure to keep looking forward so that way, like, basically open your eye all the way so you can see if you're gonna have those colors over your cut crease, so that way when you cut it, it's not taking away all that work that you just did. You know what I mean? You want to bring them a little bit higher if you have hooded eyes like me. If y'all want me to do a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my hooded eyes and how I basically get away with a lot of looks, then let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to do a more in-depth video. But yeah, until then, you know. So I went ahead and blended that up with the yellow. Y'all already know. Same old. Here I'm taking the Jeffree Star concealer and just going to be using that to cut my crease. I previously cut it with a cotton swab. Y'all can use basically whatever you want. Y'all can use it with makeup remover on it. I just like to wet it a little bit and just take off whatever I don't want to use. This actually lets the whatever shade you want to apply on top of it come out so much smoother and not have so much clumpiness on top, because just applying shades on shades on shades, it's just like applying product on product on product. You know what I mean? It's going to end up getting clumpy in the process, so if you want to avoid that, definitely try that method. So here I'm just going to be precisely, obviously, taking my concealer and just going to be cutting my crease. Notice how I actually ended up opening my eye more towards the inner corner because I wanted it to, like I said, open my eye towards the inner corner. So doing this not only makes my eye look bigger, but it also makes my cut crease look noticeable with my eyes closed, with my eyes open. Like, this is the way to get away with basically your transitions still being there with hooded eyelids. Here I'm taking this dark green shade in the shade named Daddy. Okay, gonna be using that right there in the outer portion, and just gonna be slowly packing it on and blending it in between, basically in that outer portion right there, just to deepen up and make my eye look a lot more defined in that area. I like for it to look really feline and cat eye, if that makes sense to y'all. So doing this and deepening it up only in the corner is gonna give you that effect, I promise. And take your time not to pack so much on, because it will ruin your look fast, especially if you're using a dark shade like I am. Yeah, you can't just like use a lot and expect it to be okay, because it's probably not gonna be okay. But to each their own. I just take my time here and I'm going really precisely, just blending that into that outer portion and that outer corner. So you're just going to be going back in with that same shade Social Blade, and just going to be slowly bringing that and transitioning that same shade in a little bit more, right there where it's blank. And then for the rest of it, I really wanted it to be like a really white shade, and that's exactly what I did. I actually ended up just leaving the front blank, leaving it white. And I honestly was so obsessed. I usually love to put like shades of glitter or like, you know, those types of pigments. But today I didn't. I honestly love it so much. So if y'all want to see more looks without like glitters and stuff, like if y'all are not into those types of looks, let me know down in the comments, because I know that not every look is gonna be for everybody. I know that. That's why I try to jump around and do as much as I can. I find it so fun to learn how to do not only natural makeup, but to go to the farthest as extreme. And honestly, I'm more obsessed with the extreme makeup. That's just the type of makeup that I like to do. It's just what makes me happy. It lets me express myself a lot more. So yeah, but I don't mind doing natural looks. Natural looks are cute. They're a vibe, you know, I'm here for them. So here I'm just going to be taking my Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Drug Lord, and I'm just going to be using that as a liquid liner. And honestly, I really wanted that neon orange, or that orange from the Jeffree Star, James Charles palette. It's in the 518. And I basically used that shade to pack on right on top of that lipstick Drug Lord. And it looks so gorgeous. It literally looks like I'm wearing a liquid orange liner on my eye. Y'all will see at the end. And now look at how freaking gorgeous this freaking liner is. I think it looks sickening. Like, I was honestly so obsessed. And now I'm actually really excited to try out what other kinds of liquid liners, quote unquote, I could make. Because basically with this white lipstick, I can basically put any eyeshadow on top of it and make my own shade. So basically, I want y'all to take that tip and try it out for me, and let me know how y'all love it, because honestly, y'all are gonna like be so obsessed. It's gonna save y'all money, especially for my people on the more affordable side, especially like myself, because I can't afford to go out and buy a bunch of liquid liners. Like, I just can't. So doing this really does help, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here for y'all, basically to show y'all what other tricks and tips that y'all can use, especially on the more affordable side. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. Leave me some love, some likes, and some comments. I love y'all. I'll see y'all later. Alright, Foxies, so this is the finished look on the James Charles palette tutorial. I hope that y'all love it as much as I do. I honestly, you know, it's not my favorite, but I love it just as much, just because I know that with time and just how much effort I've been putting into all my looks, I get better regardless. So even though this might not be my favorite skin-wise, because I feel like the skin's what's throwing it off. I think the eyes look gorgeous, but the skin for me is just making me feel like an egg. Oh no. Anywho, like I said, I hope that y'all love it, and if y'all recreate it, please make sure to tag me or DM me. I would love to see it and repost it on my Instagram. And until next time, I will see y'all Wednesday or Saturday. Alright, bye Foxies.